ka.
Getting hurt.
He has a green thumb. Sour. Welcome to Casa Avenida! House and lot tour of my Grandpa Lovinit's and Grandma Lovinit's place. Before, the land was up to here, but because of the road expansion, we have to push back our land up to here in this area. Come in, come in. Okay, so this is the garden. Grandfather was the one who did all of that because he's an agriculturist. He studied agriculture. So you can see some flowers, even cactus, different kind of leaves, plant. There's even a Christmas tree. There's even a pine tree. Oh. Pine tree. Our national flower, Sampaguita. I think it's Sampaguita. I'm not sure, but I think it is. Oh yeah, it is. Say tabi-tabi po every time you walk. Tabi-tabi po. To give respect to the other elements living in here. You know calamansi? So we just get calamansi from this tree. We have a calamansi tree. We don't have to pay for calamansi. That's why I like calamansi. You know. It's Philippine lime. It's not small but very sour. We have pomelo tree. Suha straight from the backyard. Before the typhoon Ursula and Tisoy hit Bicol, there were more trees over here, like more mango trees, santol, but it got cut down naturally. It's the mango tree. Now it's not season. There's no mangoes as of now. So you know we're still old school here. There's no Wi-Fi. There's not much signal in this place. So this is what we use if we want to watch television. Now that you've seen the garden and the whole lot, I'm gonna show to you guys the house tour, the Bahay Kubo tour. Let's go, let's go. This is actually made out of bamboo. Now, the woods, if you can see, this came from a nara tree that naturally fell over during the strong typhoon. Also, the furnitures were made by my grandfather, and the floor, if you can see, it's hardwood. So my mom is the eldest out of 5 children. This is my Uncle June, Uncle Buboy, Uncle Nanan, and Auntie Jean. This is the whole family. That's my grandparents. Oh, here we have a patio. Chill here, drink some tea or coffee for Martin. We have 2 rooms in this house. Okay, so the first room, so there's a family that takes care of the whole place when we're not around, because this is like our Nipa Hut where we want to relax and we're not normally here. The master's bedroom. There's also 2 bathrooms. This is the first bathroom, which is inside the master's bedroom. Very simple. Also, the furnitures here are made by my grandfather. That's my grandparents. This is Lola Lovinit and Lola Lovinit. And here's the second bathroom. It wasn't built before also, 4 years ago. But now we have a second bathroom where people, like guests, can use the toilet without going inside the master's bedroom. This is the dining area. This is where we eat. This is where we chill or we do some of our work. I think this is my favorite part of the whole house because I just look at this place and it reminds me of like how simple our life here in the province is. I really like the window because it's made out of capi shells. I don't know how my grandfather was able to make these. That's pretty impressive, and I'm proud of him for making such a nice house, solid house. Yeah, it's also made out of Nara. Actually, when my grandfather died, he wasn't able to finish the entire house, and one of it is the kitchen. Maybe next time when I go back, I'll bring some furnitures where it's not plastic anymore. Okay, the last part of the house that I will be showing to you is the second room. This one is air-conditioned room. There. This is where Martin and I are actually staying for 4 more days. Okay. Alright? I guess that's it. I guess that ends the room tour or the house tour, and I will show to you guys what it looks like from above because Martin droned it this morning, and it's also actually my first time to see it from above. Show it to you guys in 3, 2, 1. Martin and I have been working, also editing. And I, on the other hand, will cook our late lunch. Yes, with this view. It started raining 10 minutes ago. As soon as Martin finished droning, it started raining so hard. Tropical life. Making chicken arroz caldo.
Thank you.
Welcome.
It smells delicious, guys.
Thank you. I try. I'm gonna get some malunggay leaves.
Ooh, okay.
You wanna vlog me?
Yeah, I'm not gonna go with you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Your dress is too long. Don't worry. Getting herbs from the garden. Wow, huh?
Time to peel. Here you go. Lola, wala kayong ipin. Ano ba yan?
Sandal. Ay, matutulog na nga ako.
Hi, Lola.
Hi, hello. Hi.
Hi.
Wait.
Do you like it?
I got the big bowl.
Okay, you guys, I guess this ends my Bahay Kubo in Bicol house tour. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment below.
Subscribe to Martin.
I was gonna say that, but I'm gonna put his YouTube channel link below. And I also have been posting the old travel vlogs on my Facebook page. The link is below, so please give it a like, follow, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next travel vlog. Bye!